Hey everyone, welcome to Fantastic Script. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Do you want to learn how to turn and LED on and off using STM32? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process using MikroC for ARM and Proteus simulation. By the end, you'll have a working LED blinking project. Let's get started. First, open a new project in MikroC for ARM, then search for STM32F103R4. Next, set the clock frequency to 72 MHz. Let's start by writing the code. The first two lines of code to select ports. Here we have chosen B and D, but you can choose A, B, C, D, or E as you prefer. This line is to set D2 as an input, which is the button we will use. And this line is to set B5 as an output, which is the LED we will control. The purpose of this code is to turn on the LED when the button is pressed and turn it off when released. You can find the complete code with all comments in the description box. Now we build the code. As you can see, it finished successfully. After this, save the code in a well-known location that is easy to find, as we will need it for simulation. Second, open a new project in Proteus 8 Professional. Then, search for STM32F103R4, just as we selected earlier in MikroC Pro for ARM, along with a blue LED or any color you prefer, a resistor, and a button. Now we connect them together, just as we defined in the code. Remember, pin PD2 is assigned to the button, pin PBB5 is assigned to the LED. After that, add ground GND and power VCS. Then set the resistor value to 220. Before uploading the code, we need to configure the power settings. GND connect to ground. VDA connect to 3.3V or 5V depending on your setup. VISA connect to ground. Pay close attention to this step, as it is very important for proper operation. Now we upload the code. You will find it in the folder where you saved it in the form of a next file. Now run the simulation. As you can see, the LED is blinking successfully. This confirms that our code is working correctly, and now we can upload it to the actual board. And that's it. Today, we learned how to turn an LED on and off using STM32, wrote the code in MikroC, and tested it in Proteus. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more STM32 tutorials. Thanks for watching.